Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie and today I'm going to be cleaning up our master bedroom for you guys. This room is a room in the house that gets really messy really fast. I don't know, from the kids coming in here watching Netflix and bringing their toys in here and playing in here throughout the day, anything, you name it, laundry, dishes, it just all ends up in here for some reason. Give me a thumbs up down below if you guys can relate, because I just feel like everything ends up in mommy and daddy's room. But I'm getting it straightened up today. Today is the first day of spring, so it really gave me good motivation with the sun shining and the good weather, so I just figured I would tackle it today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. So it is turning into warmer weather, but I am just one of those people that have a million blankets on their bed. I don't know if it's the weight of the covers or what it is, but I just love having a bunch of blankets on my bed. And the blue one you see I've had forever, and it's ugly, y'all. I know, I understand, but I just can't let it go. It's so comfortable, it's so soft, and I just can't sleep without it. I don't know how many times I have looked at the camera during this video. I'm sorry, y'all. I know that's annoying. My camera was sitting up high and I guess I was scared it was gonna fall or something, so I don't know. I kept looking at it, but it is what it is, but I do apologize. So I did have my police scanner out here from the other day. My husband was actually in a car accident and I had that out to listen to what was going on. If you haven't checked that video out, definitely go check it out, and where I talk about what had happened.